Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to log out Instagram from all devices. Friends, for security reasons, it is always better to log out your Instagram from devices which you are not using at present. So in your Instagram, you need to press on your profile icon. Here press on the three lines. Now here press on settings. In settings, press on security. In security, press on login activity. Now friends, here you can see I am logged in to two devices. One is the mobile device and other is on Windows. Now I will log out from this computer device. For that I need to press on these three dots and press on logout. Press on OK. Now friends, like this you can very easily log out to other devices and can secure your Instagram account. I hope you find this video useful.
If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.